Are you a woodworking enthusiast looking for the best wood lathes on the market? Well, look no further. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 wood lathes for both beginners and professionals alike. From the compact and affordable to the heavy-duty and powerful, we'll cover all the features and specifications you need to know before making a purchase. And don't forget to check out the link in the description box for more information and to purchase your own. Let's dive in. Powermatic 3520C Wood Lathe. The Powermatic 3520C Wood Lathe is a must-have for any serious woodworker. This lathe is equipped with digital indexing readout, which simplifies the indexing process and allows for precise and accurate cutting. The magnetic-backed movable control box provides customizable versatility and easy access to controls, while adjustable riser blocks offer maximum comfort with 4 inches of height adjustment. The upgraded banjo features a non-marring pinch-style clamp, ensuring solid tool wrist placement and reducing the risk of damage to your workpiece. The extended spindle nose allows for increased workpiece access, making it perfect for larger projects. At 726 pounds, the Powermatic 3520C is a heavy-duty lathe built to last. It has a solid construction and is designed to withstand heavy use in any workshop. This lathe is backed by Powermatic's industry-leading 5-year warranty against manufacturing defects, ensuring you can have confidence in your purchase. Overall, the Powermatic 3520C Wood Lathe is a top-of-the-line machine that offers precision, versatility, and durability. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a serious hobbyist, this lathe is a worthy investment that will help you achieve exceptional results. JDOLILO 1015 vs Wood Lathe. The JDOLILO 1015 vs Wood Lathe is a versatile and affordable option for both novice and advanced wood turners. With 15 to 1/2 inches between centers and integrated 24-position indexing, this lathe offers precise and accurate cuts. 3 variable speed ranges allow for customizable speeds to match any project's needs. It features wider bedways for increased stability and an improved tensioning system with easier access to belts. The live center in the tailstock adds even more versatility and functionality to this lathe. At only 70 pounds, this compact lathe is easy to transport and store, making it a great choice for those with limited workshop space. This wood lathe also comes with a 5-year warranty, 2-year warranty for commercial or industrial use, providing peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. Grizzly G0766 Wood Lathe. The Grizzly G0766 Wood Lathe is an excellent choice for serious wood turners who want to work on large projects, such as bowls and furniture pieces. This wood lathe has a 22-inch swing capacity and electronic variable speed control with digital RPM readout, providing ample clearance and torque for low-speed roughing of large projects. The headstock can be positioned anywhere along the bed, providing flexibility and control over your work. It also has a stable heavy-duty cast iron bed and stand with a single-phase frequency drive for 3-phase variable speed control and additional torque. Lever action cam locks enable quick positioning of the tailstock, headstock, and tool rest support. Other features of this lathe include a low speed range of 100, 1200 RPM and a high speed range of 100, 3200 RPM, 10 degrees spindle indexing, forward/reverse spindle control, and a 4-to-1/4 tailstock barrel travel. The package also includes a spur center, cup live center, knockout tool, tool rest, 6 faceplate, and indexing pin. In summary, the Grizzly G0766 Wood Lathe is an ideal choice for wood turners who require a reliable and versatile tool for their large diameter projects. Woodworking 1018 Wood Lathe. The Woodworking 1018 Wood Lathe offers a large work capacity, with a distance between centers of 18 inches and a swing over bed of 10 inches. The 6 to 5/8-inch reinforced tool rest rotates 360 degrees and can be fixed with a whole steel handle. The lathe also includes a detachable protective panel and goggles to ensure eye protection during work. The benchtop wood lathe features 5 variable operating speeds ranging from 500 to 3200 revolutions per minute, making it suitable for turning different workpieces. It is powered by a 3.4 amp 110 V60 AC pure copper motor that provides ample power for all your turning needs. The heavy-duty cast iron construction with all-steel revolving handle ensures durability and long years of reliable service. The scaled-down mini wood-turning lathe is suitable for limited spaces, making it a great choice for turning pens, bowls, cups, toys, and other small projects. Finally, it offers a 3-year warranty for the mini benchtop wood lathe, with free returns or replacements within 30 days. Wood Tools Wood Lathe. The Wood Tools 14 Midi Lathe is the perfect blend of size, portability, and power for both beginners and advanced users. At 830x300 and 30x430 mm, this lathe is compact and easily portable, while still providing ample space for most woodworking needs. The lathe boasts a powerful 1 HP AC motor that maintains a higher and more consistent output torque compared to other competitive models in the market. This feature is especially useful when running at low speeds, as it maintains the output torque of the spindle at or near 100%, resulting in a smooth and efficient performance. This lathe also offers 3 speed ranges, which can be easily changed with a quick release lever on the motor. The front window of the lathe's digital display shows the spindle speed for easy monitoring. What's more, the 1-diameter tool rest used on medium and large lathes makes it compatible with a variety of different projects. Thank you for watching our video on the best wood lathes. We hope it provided you with valuable information to make an informed decision for your woodworking needs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and we'll be happy to respond.